Faster than we planned, nothing ever like it was. Girl, we've got a special thing, and you're the happiness it brings. It more than enough. I know it's hard to believe you're still the biggest part of me, all I'm living for. Still think about you, still dream about you, still want you and need you by my side. Still mad about you. Still the one. It's hard to breathe when we're apart. You're the sunshine in my heart. I'll keep you here inside. You've been everything to me. You've been and always will be the apple of my eye. And I know it's hard to believe you're still the biggest part of me, all I'm living for. You and need you by my side. Still mad about you. All I ever wanted was you. Still the one. Still the one. If you love and look into my eyes and see you do. Been waiting all my life for someone just like you. Baby, after all we've been through, girl, I'm still in love with you. And I want you to know I do, I do. You like the dream come true, too. Just wanna be with you, please. Got a plan to see that you're the only one for me. Repeat steps 1, 2, 3, 4. Can you fall in love with me? If ever I believe my work is done. If ever I believe that it's done, then I start right back. And thank you, thank you. Let's give it that good paper.
That's what me and family was saying.
Playing the keyboard, he sings very well. Man, it's a true talent. Speaking of talent, we have another young talent. His sister